The number one question that I get asked most is on how do we find or develop a quality pre sales engineer? Unfortunately, most companies either lack resources or knowledge on how to develop or train this type of individual. This power play is designed to help aid in the area of pre sales support. I hope it can be a starting block in developing or realizing what it takes to create an ideal pre sales support engineer. The primary responsibility of a pre-sales engineer is to understand the client's needs and requirements, and then effectively demonstrate and articulate how a particular product or solution can meet those needs. They act as the technical advisor during the sales process, ensuring that the proposed solutions align with the client's goals. Investing in the right individual is key in any process. One common mistake that I see over and over is that companies hire very technically savvy individuals with no emotional intelligence or sales empathy, or to put it another way, a real pain to work with. I don't care if you're Bill Gates himself, if you are not easy to work with, your sales staff will not engage and your customers will not relate. Developing effective customer engagement and relationship building skills is vital for pre-sales engineers. These skills involve active listening, empathizing with customers' challenges, identifying pain points, and proposing suitable solutions. Companies should prepare their pre-sales engineers to understand that their main job is establishing credibility first. Too often, I have seen sales engineers trying to battle antennas with IT personnel in the sales process when they should be trying to establish rapport. This usually happens because your sales engineer is insecure with their knowledge level or technical aptitude. Great sales engineers will always build trust with clients and staff. Trust is established through consistent behavior and having the right personality and technical competence. Developing your sales engineers to be technically competent and easy to work with is the catalyst for growing your sales. I know I've talked a lot about sales empathy and personality, but once that is established, credentials become critical. You simply can't rely solely on surface level knowledge. Unfortunately, I see this happening too often in businesses today. They tend to prioritize relationships over a deep technical understanding. In my personal opinion, if you're going to talk about something, be prepared to actually do it. I believe that if you're going to discuss a topic, you should know how to apply it practically. In my lifetime, I have met many individuals who can talk the talk but cannot walk the walk when it comes to technical competence. If you expect your customers and staff to make strategic and high-value recommendations in the field of technology, then ensure that you have the right expert with validated credentials leading that charge. Lastly, business acumen is a must. Sales engineers need to understand the customer's business needs, goals, and challenges in order to provide the best solution. Business acumen helps sales engineers understand the customer's industry, market trends, and competition, enabling them to effectively position their products or services. A pre-sales engineer plays a vital role in bridging the gap between technical expertise and sales. They must possess deep technical knowledge, excellent communication skills, and the ability to understand client needs. By investing in development programs and fostering a continuous learning environment, organizations can cultivate highly skilled pre-sales engineers who effectively contribute to sales success.